Bye-bye, Mama.
Hello guys and welcome back. Today is a tough day because after 3 beautiful months of being together, my mama is flying back to the Philippines. Imagine for the first time in so many years, we were truly together. 3 full months na hindi lang panandali ang bakasyon. I will miss you, Ma. You know, Mama has this energy na kahit pagod ka, kahit bad mood ka, she will find a way to make you laugh. Lagi siyang may kwento, may kalokohan. And na-miss kong maging bata this past 3 months. Yung pakiramdam na may nanay kang nilulutuan ka, nag-aalaga, at inuuna ka sa lahat. But there's also one thing that I will never forget. It is the way she smiled the first time she saw snow. Alam kong simple lang yun para sa iba, pero para sa kanya it was something magical. Para siya ulit bumalik sa pagiging bata. For the past months, I got used to something I never thought I'd experience again. It is the feeling of having my mom with me every single day. Yung simple lang pero ang laki ng impact kasi may naghihintay sa akin sa bahay, may nag-aalala kung anong oras ako makakauwi, may nag-good morning at nag-good night sa akin. I got used to waking up to the smell of her cooking, hearing her random stories habang nagkakape kami, and seeing her waving goodbye from the window every time I leave for work.
Kami na, Heidelberg. Yay! My 60th birthday. Woo!
These past 3 months have been the best. Nakita ko ulit si Mama na kasama ko araw-araw, naaalagaan ko siya kahit papano, at nabawi kahit konti yung mga panong hindi kami magkasama. We traveled together, ate good food, laughed a lot, and just enjoyed being mother and child under one roof again.
Ma-aura-aura.
But now, she has to go home. Alam ko namang darating niya yung araw na to, and wala na namang sanay sa goodbyes. Every morning, masasanay na naman ako walang mag-wave goodbye sa bintana tuwing aalis ako sa trabaho. Walang kakwentuhan habang kumakain. Wala na yung simpleng, kumain ka na ba, nak? Ear yarn. Magkikita pa naman tayo, Ma, sa pag-uwi ko ulit. Pero kahit mahirap, kahit gaano man katagal ulit tayo magkikita, I know that we will see each other again soon. And I am grateful because instead of focusing on the goodbye, I just choose to cherish the memories we made. So to everyone watching, if you have the chance to be with your parents, hug them a little tighter, cherish every moment, and tell them how much you love them. Time is precious, and being with our loved ones is truly the greatest blessing. Thank you for watching. Bye!